10 good foods for diabetic patients. Managing diabetes effectively starts with making the right food choices. Here are 10 foods that can help you keep your blood sugar levels in check while providing essential nutrients. Number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them ideal for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Number 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health. Number 3. Avocados. They are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats and fiber, which help in controlling blood sugar levels. Number 4. Chia seeds. High in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds can improve blood sugar control and support heart health. Number 5. Beans. Black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, helping to manage blood sugar levels. Number 6. Greek yogurt. It has fewer carbs and more protein compared to regular yogurt, making it a good option for blood sugar management. Number 7. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are low in carbs and high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Number 8. Broccoli. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, broccoli is low in calories and carbs. Number 9. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and other berries have a low glycemic index and are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Number 10. Cinnamon. Known for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can help lower blood sugar levels when included in your diet. Including these foods in a balanced diet can help manage diabetes and improve overall health.